buddy? Long time no see. Yeah, I haven't been posting too many videos recently, so I just want to give you guys a channel update, some cool things that are developing, maybe some hints on what's going on. But while we're here, first I want to show you guys CUE. CUE is a DC-3, and it's a DC-3 we've owned for a while, but we've never really used that much, and I'll explain more why that is on the inside. But the neat thing about CUE, it was the very first DC-3, or very first aircraft to land here at the Yellowknife Airport. So it was like in the 40s, it was military. I'm probably getting those dates wrong, but yeah, it was the very first DC-3 ever to land here in Yellowknife, which is cool, and it's still here. So what I'm gonna do here is this, go inside and show you guys. So the CUE here is a sister ship to DTD, and if you don't know what DTD is, or if you're just stumbling on this video, you know, the PlaneSavers crew and I, we saved a DC-3, and it actually has the very same paint scheme as this aircraft, because they were both worked for the Department of Transportation, DOT, which is Transport Canada. So yeah, we have modified it and painted the red-green on this one, but yeah, it's just been here a long time, but we haven't used it as much as our other DC-3s, for some obvious reasons once I go inside and show you guys. So let's go check this out. Okay, the first thing you guys got to notice is CUE actually has a proper cargo door on it, not like DTD, which has the Canadair passenger door mod, which was later modded again by Department of Transportation. Let's just see, I don't even know this, see if this has a jump door on it. No, it does not have a jump door on it. One thing you'll notice with C-47s, man, a lot of stuff enhancing the audio today. As you can see that there is a secondary door lining in here, and that was so they can open the door in flight inside and let jumpers out. A C-47 mod. So this might still have the door. Some of it sometimes it's just skinned over here, but yeah, so that is telling me that this aircraft was modded by somebody from the C-47 version. Inside, we'll see that the first thing that's different is similar to DTD. It's got the hat racks. So the hat racks up here, and it doesn't have brown line tracking. So it has these little you know, widget kind of clamps on the floor that the seats bolt into. So the seats are kind of stationary, where most other DC-3s we have for combis, they would fold up. So this aircraft does not make a good cargo or combi aircraft because the hat racks take up too much room, the seats aren't easy to move, and for a DC-3 to be economical, you need to have lots of diversity with the loads. This thing right here, which I just noticed, would be a pain for pallet jacks. In this floor, you cannot run a pallet jack on efficiently. Just not going to work. Extra galley, extra weight. Yeah, so this aircraft would have to be pretty much stripped out to be a freighter. So up here up front, you can see it's got nice curtains and stuff. All this stuff is original, really only modified a little bit. You can see the green, those are some repairs. So this aircraft was never converted to a real cargo airplane, even though it has a cargo door. So yeah, that's kind of as it is. Inside here, the cockpit, you can see it's got a radio rack, and very, very similar to DTD. As you can see, it's got a jump seat right there, hiding the hamburger door. There you go. There's the cockpit. Very, was that a Garmin 250? When you ever see a Garmin 250, you know that's old school. And there you go. And there is what she is. So she's complete. A few items missing, but nothing nothing that we had to deal with DTD. So there is just a quick thing for all the fans who wanted to see CUE. This corrugated stuff too is something that I see in the back of DTD, which is neat. So you got a little storage area up front here. You got the hydraulic accumulators, your hydraulic tank, all that fun stuff. So there you guys go. There's a quick tour of CUE, one of the most asked about DC-3s that I haven't shown really anybody yet. So, what is happening? Well, folks, a lot of stuff is happening. If you've been following along on the Facebook group, which I'll leave a message down below, I know a lot of YouTubers aren't keen on Facebook, but there's a lot of content. People posting a lot of their own homemade PlaneSavers content and interesting stuff in the Facebook group. Again, check that out. But Spaghetti Don was on a road trip, a secret road trip. And he was posting updates around on Facebook. And I'll post some of that kind of stuff here. I'll show you, there's some, I'll overlay some pictures on his trip and everything like that. He was keeping what he was hauling a secret because it is all part of our new plan, folks, our new thing going up. I'm not going to say what we're calling it, but yeah, so I've been working with lots of stuff behind the scenes, and all of the stuff will be revealed. I'm waiting for a very, very important package tomorrow, Canada Post. It arrived in Edmonton. It should be on the C-46 tomorrow morning. And once I get that in hand, folks, that means a lot of stuff is going to start moving forward very quickly. But before that, we're going to OSHKOSH. So this week, we're prepping to take DTD, which is in Thunder Bay right now. Jay and Dusty have been taking care of it. So
it's July the 12th, and this is episode 5 of Plane Sitting. Here we are. It's Friday night, 10 o'clock. We're giving DTD its 7-day run. We've got Dusty at the wheel here. We're at the throttles. Everything's running good. Just waiting patiently now for Mike and Joe and Stella on the 22nd. See you then.
Yeah, pretty excited to get that thing going. Jay's been sending me videos of them doing the test runs. They had to do a carburetor change on it. A lot of little snags, but thankfully nothing too big. So the OSHKOSH plan. We're going to be leaving Thunder Bay with DTD on Tuesday. I think that's the 23rd, and we're going to be leaving OSHKOSH Saturday morning, which is the 27th. So we're going to be there Tuesday morning, leaving Saturday morning. The best place to know where and how we're going to do it is my social media. I'll be putting it underneath: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all that stuff. That's probably where I'm going to be posting most stuff, because YouTube is not the most practical for sending instant updates. But that being said, I got a little bit of a cool surprise. YouTube has just approved me for memberships, YouTube memberships. So now that if you're watching this on your laptop or something like that, you're going to see a little join button at the bottom, and that little join button can give you access to some perks. Yeah, so it's kind of a neat little thing, a new way to earn revenue towards maybe another project, and a way for you guys to get some bonus material. It's not going to affect anything that I normally do. All the videos, the PlaneSaver videos are free and will always be free. You don't have to pay a cent, but people that want to get a little bit extra deep dive, check out the join button, click that, and you get the cool thing ahead of everything is you get these little buttons, these little badges that get to go onto your anytime you leave a comment on PlaneSavers or live stream, you get a little icon by your name, kind of like an official icon, which is very cool. I designed them. They're kind of goofy, so check them out. Yeah, so that's it. So click the join button if you want to become part of the PlaneSavers extra crew. You're all PlaneSavers anyway. Keep an eye on so you better, we got a bug on the camera. So check it out. Check out, make sure you subscribe to PlaneSavers so you can get access to the normal community tab, where I'll be posting updates and stuff like that. And then if you want extra content, check out the membership program. So that's kind of it. I'll probably be doing one more video before OSHKOSH, so I'll be seeing you soon. And thank you for everybody for joining me today on this quick video. I miss you guys, but I have a feeling I'll be back very soon. Bye.